So I'm working in the shower today, trying to put a window so we have a bit of natural light. There's also going to be a spotlight in the shower, but this will give us a bit of natural light. The idea is just to cut the shape of the window into the wall here, and then we'll glue a plexiglass. There you go. Bit of natural light. We have a window. It's getting somewhere. We have a separation in our van. We have benches to sit.
La vie est belle.
Oh, that's going to be a good spot here. More wood for the rest of the cabinets. More wood for furniture.
Very happy with that. So this is the last piece of furniture that we were missing. Here we're gonna have a countertop extension, so we're just gonna make sure that it's gonna fit there, so we can have more working space to create magic in the kitchen.
Storage for clothes.
Good morning.
Ready to work?
Always. Has been a nightmare. Let's see if it fits.
After 1 hour 30 of struggling, let's see if we can fit one drawer. Doesn't fit. This is a summary of how many attempts we tried the drawers.
Let's do something else today.
So after a huge break, we are back at it, trying to get back into the van project. It's been overwhelming to see everything we still have to do, so we're gonna take it step by step. And first we're gonna continue with our bed furniture. So let's get to work. We also used that break to order stuff that we needed for the van. One of them are those monstrous drawer slides that eventually is gonna end up in this hole here, and we're gonna have a huge drawer coming out. We'll start by closing those two openings. So for that, Moni is now cutting some claddings that we're gonna use to close this.
We are finally painting our bed.
It's pretty nice.
Perfect. When I'm ready, maybe.
It's not finished yet, but already look pretty good.
Our garage.